5 minutes and 52. 5 minutes and 52. This is the fourth and final quarter. Wala. 28 now for the rebound to number 15. Number 15 now still has the ball. Tuloy sa basket. But there's a whistle. Number 21, pushing foul, pushing from behind. Third team foul, Yummy, third team foul. 2 free throw, number 15, Bautista.
Time out.
ID, okay. 1 point, number 15, 1 out of 2. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. As a fourth and final quarter now tayo. Tuwasok number 21. Pull up jumper. Yes, sir. 2 points. Timeout. Publickers. 2 points for number 21. Remaining time. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time for the fourth and final quarter.
Tingnan mo naman 5 minutes na magkano na.
Ka na? Lalaro ka na?
Maghanda-handa na po ang ating second game. Chuck E. Cheese versus Indiana. A back to the ball game with 5 minutes and 20 seconds.
Sige lang.
Tuck in lang ho tayo.
Yo, tuck in mo.
53-54. Lamang na ngayon ang Yummy ng 1 point. Melendez to number 11. 11 to number 23, Aaron. Number 7, Sander. Back to number 4, Melendez. Sumalaksak. Yes, sir. 5 points. Number 4. 5 minutes and 1.
Defense!
Number 6 now, slowly dribbling. Look for an opening. Pass to number 4. Number 4, sumalaksak. Nabitawan. 10 seconds shot. 10 seconds shot.
Kuha.
Symbol. 8 seconds shot. 8 seconds shot. Number 4, fires. Tapos. Now Bulas Padramas number 11. 11 to number 4. Tuloy. Melendez. To number 5, Makagila. And nice assist. 4 minutes and 26. Lapos now was the ball. Looking for an opening. Still dribbling. Now the ball still number 6. Yes, sir. 2 points. Number 6. 4 minutes and 13 seconds. 4 minutes and 13 seconds. Number 5, Makagila pass under net. Number 7. Yes, sir. Timing. Si Sander. Number 7.
Kuha.
3 minutes and 58. 59-56 the score. The score now, 59-56, lead out by 3. But Rockers, 4 seconds shot. Yes, sir. Magandang ikot. Pinawin shot. Number 7, 4 points. Makagila, walang
Nice one ka, Jojo.
Makagila. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 3 minutes. 25. Number 4 now to number 6, Lapos, the controller. Mayo. Foul, 23, pushing foul.
Sa araw naman pinilaya.
Substitution. Penalty, sir. Penalty.
Kanina naman yung hampas niya naman kanina naman sa bola. Napakalakas naman eh. Kung tinamaan yung kamay ng durog yun. Kanina, lakas ka ng tunog. Kanina, si Sir Aaron, yung kanina niyang pagkakahampas.
3 minutes and
Talaga naman.
16 seconds. 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Kadungog number 7 at the free throw line. Yes, sir. First attempt. One.
Ano masasabi mo, Sir Elmer?
Panalo na kami.
61-49 is the score.
Wa!
1 out of 2.
Yee!
Blocked by number 23.
Nako, kanila pa.
Nasipa ang bola ni Aaron Mayo. The ball steal. Yami Yami. Ball number 3 to number 4. To number 6, Lapos. 3 minutes and 1 second. Lapos. 10 seconds. Shot clock. Number 7, Kadungog. Spin. Move. Yes, sir. 2 points. Number 7.
Go ka, Jojo!
2 minutes and 49.
Foul. Nakakalimutan ko mag-sumaot pag si Sir Aaron nang pumasok.
Yummy, yummy. Warning for penalty. Yummy, yummy. 2 minutes and 48. 2 minutes and 48. Remaining time for the fourth and final quarter.
Take time.
Makagila number 5.
Dalawa, Joe, dalawa.
2 free throw.
Madonna, ano ba? Hiningal ka na agad. Nice one!
Isa pa.
Pusa. Pusa. Muna yun. Sa'yo na yun, ha?
Nice, Sir Aaron!
Huwag kang papan. Nice one.
Oops. Nice one!
Okay. Pinasa sa bench. 2 minutes and 42. 2 minutes and 42. Players ng Yummy Yummy, please. Sa upuan lang po tayo. 2 minutes and 35. Number 7, under it.
Nice, Dexter!
Number 7, 2 points, Sander. 2 points, Sander, number 7.
Pusa!
64-61 is the score. Butata. Number 11 now has the ball. Pass to number 4, Melendez. Melendez, attempt to shot.
Yes!
Oh, nice move. Number 4.
Napakayabang naman ni Pusa. Alam mo naman talaga naman.
Foul number 4.
Nakukuhain ng tao si Pusa.
Sabi naman talaga ng ilong ni Pusa. Oh. Sabi niya talaga gumawa.
Nakapano mo ba yun?
Gusto ko sana pumasok sa loob. Pupokus ko sana lang gano'n na gano'n. Gusto ko sana pumasok sa loob, gaganong ko sana yung camera eh.
Sabi niya na pumasok ka dito.
Galing-galing naman talaga naman ni Pusa. Nadadala lang Sir Aaron, di naman nervyoso. Galing-galing. Gusto ko sana ganun yung naman yung camera kay Pusa kanina eh.
Now the lead now is up by 5 in favor of Padracos. Bonus throw number 4, Melendez.
Sir Elmer, sug ka dyan.
Yummy Yummy, may isa na lang kayo.
Sir Elmer, busy-busy siya tayo may itsura niya.
Bonus throw number 4.
Nice one!
3 points.
Joe, down, Joe. Down.
Ano, kunin mo yan.
2 minutes and 10. Number 7, Kadungog.
Nice one!
To number 4,
Nice.
block 5. Number 23. 4 block, number 23, Mayo Aaron. 4 minutes and
Harapan mo, Joe!
3 seconds.
Yeah.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Brought to you by Skype, Hanko Mandalans, Sturgeons, Bison, and Jordan.
Woo! Madala ba? Ano ba, Madonna? Di mo na ipasok yun. Tira, Madonna, tira!
11 to number 23. To number 7. Number 7, fires. Kapos. 1 minute and 28. Number 3, Tuwaga. Yes, sir.
Hoy, putang ina.
Tuwaga, number 3. Robert.
Uy!
Relax.
1 minute and 18.
Relax.
67-65. 2-point lead.